2017, we opened our first adult daycare center right here in Port Charlotte. But little did I know just how much of an impact this place was going to have on our seniors' lives.
The first time we went to Chelsea Place, I'm not looking anywhere else.
Actually, Chelsea's has changed all of our lives dramatically. This has been such a good part of her life.
There are no words that can truly describe the level of impact and the lives that are being changed by this kind of an environment.
He's treated with respect and with honor and just with a lot of love.
They're good to her. She loves being there. She comes home happy.
You have to see it to truly understand how much of an impact this place makes on people.
If it's good enough for my mom, it should be good enough for my patients.
Seeing them find a sense of purpose, it is one of the most rewarding experiences in my life.
He now has full sentences, whereas before it would be one word or a phrase.
She hasn't had that much positivity in a really, really long time.
It's just a fun place to be. I love it. I love it. They are wonderful.
It gives families peace of mind and the break that they desperately need, knowing their loved one is having the time of their life.
It's not just daycare, it's heart care.
She loves it there. And we can tell the difference when she doesn't go for one day.
This year, 2022, is the beginning of ActivAge, the largest movement to transform the lives of seniors and their families across the world.